Okay everyone, it is day 3. I've got to be quick because I'm working in a minute, but I've got day 1, day 2, and get rid of that, day 3. It has gone through a bit, but the paper is not as crinkly as if I'm using the other ink, so I might try Copics again today. But anyway, cup of doom. Right, looking away, I'm just going for it. I've got one. Being proactive. Oh, feathers. Oh, I'm trying to recognise whose that is. Is that my? That's either my. Oh, who is that? Mum or Dad? I don't know. I'll have to find out. But there you go. We are doing feathers today. What am I doing with that? So, just a quick one today. I am working. I was doing this just before teaching. I'm teaching hypnotherapy via Zoom, so that's always fun. But yeah, I did this just before and then during my lunch, so bit of a rush one. It's adorable though. This is Edmond. This is Edmond the Strumple. I don't know why. He just is. I think the word Edmund was on my computer at the time, and Strumple, he just looks like a little Strumple. So yes, Edmond the Strumple. I'll put the story, I think I say I'll put the story at the end, so I'll put the story at the end. He's very happy with the feathers. See, feathers. He's got 3 strands of feathers coming out the top of his head, and he's very happy about it. I did it very simply, very quickly. I was going to do a bit of cross-hatching and stuff. That's how I envisaged him. And oh, this is a mistake. I'm testing how to do feathers, and this is awful. This is not how I do it, but it's sunk through and it's gone into the other side, which is really annoying. I think I'm going to have to get some Tipp-Ex and go over that, but ignore that. Anyway, yes, feathers. He has 3 strands of feathers coming out the top of his head, and he is very, very happy with it. Very happy. And he sits there, and his favourite thing to do is stare at his feathers. And then the lightning starts, if you remember from day 1. And yeah, he's a little Strumple. Look at him. What am I doing? I've stopped. I've come back. That's good. Anyway, so yes, feathers is the word of the day. I don't know who is this. I can't recognise their writing. I'm gonna have to find out. That's gonna bug me. It's one of the parents. It's got to be. But anyway, yes, he's a cutie. I just used. I can't remember what colours now, what numbers, but just 2 blue Copics and like E000 or something to go around him, because I like doing the little backgrounds. It's very quick, very easy, but just finishes it off a bit, I think. And I'm happy with him. He is a him, I have decided. He's, yes, Edmund, the little Strumple. I have no idea how this is going to fit in with the story. But essentially, yes, he was just sitting there happily watching his feathers, and they're just wafting in the gentle breeze, and he's very excited about it all. And then the thunder and lightning from day 1 starts, and he's very annoyed because lightning means thunder, which means rain, which means his feathers get all lank and floppy, and he doesn't like that. So he goes and hides from the weather. What he's got to do with anything else, I'm not quite sure, but I'm sure he'll have a reappearance. This is a strange thing, because I'm sure some of the prompts that have been given me by my wondrous family will range, certainly. But yeah, interesting. Let me know what you're doing in the comments down below. Are you doing like a story? Are you trying to link them? Are you just doing them as they come? Are you doing the official ones or one of these other ones? There's so many different types. As mentioned in the last video, the Inktober, that's the word, Inktober that Stuart Semple is doing. So that's one as well. He's come up with his own list of lists, and there's of prompts, and there's loads of them out there. So it'll be interesting to know what everyone's doing, because it's a strange thing with everything that's going on. You don't want to, jump to conclusions, but you kind of want to know what's happening and what your time and, as far as the art snacks box and everything else goes, where your money's going. But anyway, comment down below, what are you lot doing? I'm gonna continue making some form of story. If you do it kind of surreal and kind of fairy tale-ish, I'm practicing. I'm just attempting to practice doing feathers. I couldn't figure it out. But exactly what colours I'm gonna end up with. What's that? B91, I think, or is that? I can't even see. That's B91, which is quite a light blue, and they use a slightly darker one on top. I was going to use these are the B ones, which are just blue, and then I've got some BG ones, which are greeny blue or bluey green. They were a bit, I don't know, a bit duller. I thought he'd like some nice, bright, simple, easier to do, simple feathers, and they're just a pretty blue, because he's a pretty blue. And I use I think it's B0000, or possibly just 3 zeros. I can't remember. I think it's 4, on sort of to shade him. I think blue's a good one, because he's essentially white fluffy fur. But blue, I think, is quite a good thing to shade with. So, but then I wanted to do the circle behind like I did with the other one, but the blue would have touched the blue on the other one. The pink didn't touch the pink, if that makes sense. But on this one it would have. So I just use a different colour. I think that's okay. But essentially this one's colour is blue, and I think he's adorable. And look, he's very happy. He's a very happy little fella with his feathers. I don't know what's going to happen. I'll have to find out tomorrow, won't I? When I pull the next prompt out, see what I get. See where this so-called kind of almost plot goes. But, well, it'll be interesting, that's for sure. I'm enjoying using the Copics. It's only day 3 after all, but I don't want to just use them. But I am worried about this paper crinkling up if I use anything wet on it. So that is a concern. But I hope it looks like feathers and not leaves now I'm looking at it. I've told you that they're feathers, so you know that they're feathers. It's fine. It's just fine. It says feathers on it and everything. But yeah, I wonder what's coming tomorrow and where this story is gonna lead. But sometimes that's a good thing. That's another thing. Is anyone doing God help me, but I'm doing NaNoWriMo in November. That's the next thing. NaNoWriMo is the National Novel Writing Month, where you write 50,000 words in the 30 days of November. And yeah, I think this is like my 13th or so year of doing it, something like that. But yeah, normally I'd be thinking about it and I'd be just daydreaming really. I don't really write much down, but I'd be daydreaming about what I was going to write about. But this, and same with last year, it's a bit weird, especially seeing I'm trying to do a video every day, so that's really taking stuff up, but I'm still going to do it. So yeah, comment down below. Anyone else doing NaNoWriMo? I'd be very interested in knowing that. And if not, Google it. It's really interesting. It's you're not when you do it, you get a little banner that says winner, and it feels awesome. But it's not like you're competing against anyone. You're competing against yourself, and it's a nice environment, and you can be as involved or not, however you want to be. But yeah, something to think about. But anyway, I'm just doing this circle, which I think suits him. Just a nice gentle, E, can't see what it is, but something like that. And yeah, there you go. There's my little Strumple, Edmond. There we go. It's a quick one because oh God, what time is it? I've got 15 minutes and I've got to get back to work. But anyway, I haven't written the story yet. I'll flash it up here. Boom, there we go. There's that. It was feathers, and there's feathers. So there you go. quick one today, quick one tomorrow, then I have a couple of days off, so we'll have to see what we come up with then. But thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like and subscribe, and any comments down below is absolutely wonderful, and I'll try to answer any of your comments at all. It's been lovely to see other people sort of commenting and sharing on their thoughts on the pictures and how they're doing and stuff, so that would be nice. But anyway, I will hopefully see you tomorrow. Yeah, bye.